Want to know the secret to simply being able to manage your online course content and student data? Well, you're in the right place. Many people think that managing a course is complex and is time-consuming. But the truth is that with Google Spreadsheets, you can easily organize and streamline your course management, saving a lot of time and increasing your focus on student success. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're unveiling the power of Google Spreadsheets for your online courses so that you can focus on delivering exceptional content while staying organized and efficient. In this video, one of our team members is going to walk you through the steps to create and customize a Google spreadsheet that will transform your course management process. So if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with our latest valuable and actionable content.
Hi, so now I'm going to teach you how to create a Google spreadsheet. So again, the requirements for this are a Google account and of course access to the internet. So first, let's open drive.google.com. Okay, then let's choose the Google Sheet. Then let's rename this Google Sheet. Okay, hit enter, then it will save. And so now let's customize this Google Sheet. So let's begin by clicking on a cell. Let's say, for example, we're using this spreadsheet for lead generation. So we're going to put first name, last name, so just type in your data and you can press enter to move to the next cell. The next step is if you want to format your data, like you want to make the text a bit bigger, so just highlight the cells that you want to format, then increase the size like so. Then if you want to change the size of each column, you can highlight the columns, then drag like that. Okay. And if you want to change this font into bold text, just hit that one, then center the text the headers. And you can also add background color for this one. So choose the fill color option. And for example, you'd like to choose this color. Okay, so now let's try to use formulas and functions. So let's try another sheet over here. So for example, you'd like to calculate the number of students that attended your course. So course number 1, 2, 3. Number of students. So for example, there are 500 students who attended the course 1, 230 for the course 2, and 120 for the third course. So that's total number of students who attended the course, or just the total number of students. It's fine. Let's add in our formula. So let's type the equal sign. So as you can observe, it's populating a formula over here. So you can do that by hitting tab, so that would automatically add in your numbers, or you can type in your formula or equal sign and click the cell that you want to add. So that one, then the plus sign, then click another cell that you want to add, and like that. Then all you need to do is hit enter, then it would calculate your values. So that's how you would do the formulas in Google Sheets. So that's all. I hope you learned something today. Thanks.
Thanks for watching our tutorial on creating and customizing Google Spreadsheets for your online courses. We hope you found it helpful and are excited to implement these tips to improve your course management. Now, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Our team will be happy to provide you with a copy of the worksheet to help you get started. Now, don't forget to check out the link in the description for our free course on finding your passion. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content from our amazing team. See you in the next video.